Find the least common denominator for the following group of denominators. T squared plus t minus 6, t squared plus 3t, and t squared. So let's assume that these are actually denominators of fractions. We want to find a least common denominator. I'm going to rewrite this t squared plus t minus 6 in a factored form. We need to see each of these in their factored form to do so. This factors as the product of binomials, t plus 3 and t minus 2. T squared plus 3t, our next proposed denominator, factors as t times t plus 3 as we pull out that greatest common factor of t. That last denominator, let's say t squared, well, it's already in factored form, so I'm just going to reproduce that and write that's the same as t squared. Now our lowest common denominator is going to include every factor that we see here. We see a factor of t. We see a factor of t plus 3. We also see the factor of t minus 2. But we also want to pull down the largest exponent that we see in any of these factorizations. So right here we see a t squared and a t to the first. We need to pull down that larger exponent, okay, the 2. We see t plus 3, but notice that each of those is only to the first power. So we include that one time. We include the t minus 2 one time as well. Therefore, our lowest common denominator is t squared times t plus 3 times t minus 2.